morning, dear children. How are you all? Today we will learn about days in a week. Days in a week. ठीक है, हम लोग 7 दिन का नाम पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, सप्ताह में कितने दिन? 7 दिन. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Which is the first day? So you have to say Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Wednesday is the third day of the week. And this is Thursday is the fourth day of the week. And this is Friday is the fifth day of the week. This is Saturday is the sixth day of the week. And this is Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Okay children, now you practice yourself. Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday is the first day. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday is the second day of the week. This is Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday is the third day of the week. And this is Thursday is the fourth day of the week. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. This is Friday is the fifth day. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Then Saturday, this is Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. This is the sixth day of the week. This is Sunday is the last day. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Okay children, now you practice spelling and days of the week.